Hello people, today is July 20th and I'm kicking off a super exciting new project. As a huge fan of the Devil May Cry series, I've always wanted to create a game inspired by its fast-paced, stylish combat. Of course, since I'm a solo developer without Capcom's massive resources, I'll be scaling things down quite a bit. I'm aiming for a cool low poly, low resolution aesthetic. I've already mapped out a to-do list, so hopefully I can stick to the plan. But even if I don't, it will still be an awesome learning experience in making a hack and slash game. A win-win, really. Today, on day one, I set up the project and got everything organized with a clean folder structure. I have dedicated folders for animations, audios, effects, materials, models, prefabs, scenes, and scripts. I also installed the new Unity input system and Cinemachine packages. I'm using Cinemachine to handle the camera, and I've already got a basic third-person camera setup working. I've created a simple placeholder character, just a dummy module, nothing fancy. This is just so I can build the game's core mechanics first. The goal is to get the gameplay loop solid before I start crafting all the final assets like the environment, player character, enemies, and weapons. This simple object represents the player, and I've already made some animations for it in Blender. I created a basic bone system and rigged the mesh to make some quick animations. Right now, it has a simple standing or idle pose, a walk animation, and a run animation, and some poses for jumping and dodging. For the left and right dodges, I'll be reusing the dodge pose and just tilting it with a script, so I don't have to create more animations. After importing everything into Unity, I wrote a quick script to show you what I have so far. You can now control the camera to look around the character, and you can walk in all directions, and even run. However, I've already noticed a funny bug. Well, I don't know if it can be called a bug, but when the character is idling, he's leaning slightly forward, but as soon as he starts walking, his head only stands completely straight up. So that's something I need to fix tomorrow. I also still need to implement the jump, falling, and dodge mechanics, but that's the plan for tomorrow's session. I think that's it for today's devlog. Thank you so much for watching.